Welcome. Today we'll solve this complex integral. We need to find the integral of x squared plus 1 over the cube root of x, all squared with respect to x. The first step is to expand the squared term. When we square a binomial, we get the square of the first term plus twice the product of the terms plus the square of the second term. Let's simplify each term. The square of x squared is x to the fourth. For the middle term, we multiply x squared by 1 over x to the 1/3, giving us 2x to the 5/3. And the square of 1 over x to the 1/3 gives us x to the negative 2/3. Now, we can integrate each term separately. For x to the fourth, we add 1 to the exponent and divide by that number, giving us x to the 5th over 5. For 2x to the 5/3, we add 1 to 5/3, getting 8/3. Then divide by 8/3, which simplifies to 3/4 x to the 8/3. Finally, for x to the negative 2/3, we add 1 and divide by 1/3, giving us 3x to the 1/3. And there we have it. Our final answer is x to the 5th over 5 plus 3/4 x to the 8/3 plus 3x to the 1/3 plus c, where c is our constant of integration. Let's verify our answer is correct by checking that when we differentiate it, we get back to our original integrand.